In Texas, your roof is your first line of defense against extreme weather. Hail, heavy rain, and months of intense sun all take a serious toll. Even if your shingles look fine from the ground, there could be damage you cannot see. The biggest risks usually start small. Cracked shingles, loose flashing, and worn sealant around vents let moisture in slowly. Over time, that leads to hidden wood rot and interior damage. A professional inspection once a year is one of the best ways to protect your home and budget. Catch problems early, stay ahead of storm seasons, and keep your roof performing the way it should.